Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 installed font not showing. First method is right-click font file, click show more options, click install for all users. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Select Sort by category. Click Appearance and Personalization. Click Show Hidden Files and Folders, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. Click Fonts. Simply drag the file to Fonts folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.